Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe without a subscription. Many people believe that all Adobe products require a monthly or annual payment, but that's not entirely true. While their most advanced professional tools are indeed subscription-based, Adobe does provide several excellent applications that you can use completely free of charge. We'll explore these legitimate options, helping you access valuable creative and productivity tools without any recurring cost. Let's dive into the specific tools available. First up, let's talk about Adobe Acrobat Reader. This is a cornerstone application for anyone working with PDF files, and it's completely free. With Acrobat Reader, you can effortlessly open, view, and print any PDF document. Beyond just viewing, it allows you to fill out interactive forms, add comments, highlight text, and even digitally sign documents, all without needing a paid subscription. It's an indispensable tool for both personal and professional use, available on nearly every device. Next, we have Adobe Express, which offers a fantastic free tier for creative projects. This versatile tool lets you design stunning social media graphics, flyers, and even short videos with ease. You'll find thousands of professional templates, a wide selection of fonts, and access to royalty-free stock photos and videos. It also includes handy features like background removal and file conversion, such as turning a PDF into a JPG. Adobe Express is perfect for quick, impactful designs without any cost. Finally, let's explore a couple more free Adobe applications. Adobe Photoshop Express is a great mobile app for quick photo edits, offering filters, adjustments, and collage features without a subscription. For artists, Adobe Fresco provides a free tier for digital drawing and painting, featuring realistic live brushes. While these free tools are incredibly useful for specific tasks, it's important to remember that for the full, professional power of applications like Photoshop or Illustrator, a Creative Cloud subscription is currently the only way to access them directly from Adobe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.